hop out with them choppers. Walking out the 10 and blue balloons.
Hey you guys, Venom392 here. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I think like 3 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. So if you do that, please help me out. If you can, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about these decals. And also, today I have a race plan with the Mustang GT. But yeah, if you guys like the content, please leave a like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. So got the Dodge all nice and clean. I am installing the windshield Mopar right now. Can't wait for that baby to go on. And then I got a few other things, but let's go ahead and get started on this first. All right, guys. So the first sticker is on. I really like that Mopar a lot. Gives it a nice clean look. Alright, so on the next one, just got in the car. Now the next one, and I noticed on this Mopar right here, you can see all that. I don't know what that is. I wiped it real well before I put that on there. I really don't know what that is. Maybe that'll come out over time. Just give it a few, I don't know, days, I guess. See what happens, but overall the view, not disrupting me at all, so I think it looks pretty cool. As for this next one, little stickers. They're the start and to turn off. Alright, you guys, there's that right there. I went ahead and put that one on. Looks badass. I got the Mopar windshield. I got my little start and stop button. It feels pretty good too. It's like a silicone kind of feel, like a rubber kind of. It feels pretty good. It's not that plastic feel, it's that rubber. But yeah, it looks great. Nice little touch. These were all gifts from my girlfriend, by the way. So thank you so much for that. The next one is this, she says it's for the gas tank button, but I think I'm gonna put it where the trunk button is, right here, so that way we can see it. Right there. Alright guys, so I guess I said I was gonna put it right here. I ended up putting it right there. That looks really good, actually. Hey, good morning, you guys. Unfortunately, yesterday, I was not able to go against that Mustang GT. He ran into a few things, so it just wasn't able to happen. But today we gotta, I don't know, we gotta go find something. So I'm gonna make some content for you guys, and I wanna, you know, make it a little interesting. So I'm gonna cruise around. Hopefully we can run into some people, you know, get a few runs in, and I don't know, just go for a cruise. Appreciate you guys tuning in and sticking around. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and yeah. Other than that, you guys, that's it for the little mods. Time to go race the little Mustang.
Oh, all of the bitches anxiety, cars rebided, we go retard.
That might be a Roush, but you guys let me know. I'm gonna pass it right now. It's in that parking lot right there. Pretty sure that's a Roush. Check it out. This is where, oh yeah, this is where they have Monterey Car Week, you guys. I don't know if, I mean, I'm pretty sure some of you guys are familiar with the car week they have. But this is where they have Monterey Car Week. All the exotics, Bugattis, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, all kinds of exotics. They all line up down this road right here. Ooh, I hear something. I hear something. I hear something. lost them. Oh no, he's right there. He's right there. That Mustang. It's a Mustang. Sounds good. Sounds nice and clean. Man, that's what I want mine to sound like, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what you guys say. We'll see what you guys say about it. That's what I want to do, but we'll see. We'll see what's gonna go on and see what's happening, but sounds, ooh, Ferrari. That's clean. Should y'all send it? He saw. Sounds clean. He's one car ahead of me. Oh, I hope we get the tunnel together. He sounds mean. Damn, I don't know about that. That's so sketchy. Sounds good, but after they passed that stupid ass law with the exhaust, it's not a new law, but it's just a different like it's a fine now. So it's always been a law to never have like a loud exhaust like that. It's just been a fix-it ticket, but now it's check it out. Clean, bro. Seeing cars like that makes me want to get the exhaust. I just want to do it. So I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Hope I can get it, but still a few more things I want to get done before I get there. Maybe do an oil catch can. What else? I really want one of those cold air intakes, not a K&N. I'll keep doing my research to see what I want on that, but maybe a tune. I want a cam. If I do something like that, I want a cam. I want a cam system. Alright guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry, man, there's no cars out today, so unfortunately we couldn't really do much, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and drop a comment below of what I should do next. I really don't know what to do next. I'm kind of stuck between a few things, but I want to hear what you guys have to say first, so go ahead and put it down below. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks.